today we are here to see how the installation of a Surya electric chimney has been done. We get a lot of queries and regarding the installation of the chimney, so we pick up one of the model of the Surya electric chimney for the installation. Now we'll see how the installation of the chimney will be done in the kitchen. First we'll have the look of the accessories we are getting in the box. First of all, we will try to explain you one by one what are the parts and what are the uses in the installation of this electric chimney. This one is called as the wall hanging clip. This is the hood holder used on the top side of the chimney. This is the installation manual. This is the hood cover used to install outside the house at the exhaust pipe. It's around 6 inches. This comes with a tape and a dual tape. This one is the hood. Like this. This one is the exhaust pipe, and this is the exhaust pipe holder. These are the main accessories comes with the chimney. These are the screws and the fitting used to install the hood and chimney on the wall. This one is the stainless steel oil collector cup. This is the main unit. In this main unit, when you open, due to COVID-19, we have put some infectant on the body in the end, and we have to keep it there. So when you open, you will find some spots like for the water. But don't worry, they are the disinfectant for the COVID-19. So when you just wash it with a cloth, it will be easily removed. So now we come for the installation. Here the step one is to install the wall clamp. As you can see it here. First of all, we have to fix it. And while fixing, we have to make sure that it will be exactly on the 90 degree. As you can see it here, we have already fixed one clamp. Normally the question is how much will be the height of the chimney. So as you can see it here, that is right now it is on 45 inches. That means 45 to 48 is the height of the clamp from your kitchen slab. That's the ideal height for the sucking as well as for the comfortable of the usage of the Surya electric chimney to the user. So we have already fixed this clamp. As you can see it here, we have to measure the height and then we have to put a screw in it and make sure that this will be exactly in the 90 degree position. Step 2. Fixing of the pipe holder. As you can see it in my hand over here. In this there are 3 small steps. As you can see, first we have to remove this. Sometimes this will stuck in the pipe holder and this will create an issue that the air will not circulate it properly. So we advise it to remove it completely. Now the next step, if we have to hold this one tight, we have to fix this type of tape on all the sides of the chimney pipe holder. So it should be done like this. This will help to avoid air leakage in the kitchen, and the suction will be very good. Now from the screws, we have to find 4 screws. Step 3. Fixing of the pipe on the pipe holder. This is the pipe that comes with the chimney. With Surya electric chimney, you will get all the fitting accessories. You don't need to buy anything from the market. This one is 6 inches old. To hold this pipe, first we have to fit the double tape. Step 3. Now we have to fix the hood on the chimney. This one is the hood. First we will fix this. This will go on the chimney and some screw will fit on it to hold the chimney on the hood, so that if there is any jerk or vibration in the chimney, it will not make shivering sounds while using. As in step 3, you can see we have already fixed the hood with the chimney, as you can see it here, and the last step is step 4. To fix this clamp to hold the chimney hood, as you can see it here, it will keep it tight. Now this chimney is ready to install on the wall, and after fitting this pipe with your exhaust duct is in your home, it's ready to exhaust the fumes and smoke out of your home. Now we will install this chimney on the wall, as you can see it now. Now this chimney is ready to install on the wall, as you can see it now. There is a clamp on the wall. We'll show you some more things. This is the LPG sensor. If there is any LPG leakage, it will be useful. The clamp hooks will have to be fixed here and here. This chimney will be hung like a hanger on the wall on the clamp. After putting this, we will give the power supply to the chimney. Pipe and other things are already fitted. Now we just have to fit the pipe with the outer duct, which was already there in your home. Now the last step is to fit the oil collector cup. It was very easy. There are 2 clips in the oil collector cup. We just have to hold it there and push it backward. And now this is ready to use. Now there is one more question normally people ask, how to use the auto clean chimney. There is a button for auto clean, just press it a little longer. Now you can see it will showing you the time for 15 minutes. Within 15 minutes it will heat up and clean all the oil inside and take it out to the oil collector cup. Easy cleaning for the oil collector cup. It's like a utensil. So normally in this video we have learned the step 1 is we start from hanging a clamp on the wall. In the step 2 we have learned how to install the exhaust pipe holder on the chimney. Step 3 we have learned how to install the pipe in the pipe holder. Then we have learned how to hold the hood on the chimney and put the clamp on the chimney, and then we just hang up the chimney on the wall. The total process of this will be not more than half an hour to maximum 1 hour, you can say. Is easy to install a chimney. Our last recommendation is that in this there is a manual which comes with the chimney. It have a lot of information like the basic functions in the chimney, the display of all types of panels we use in the chimney, and the functionality of that, and the dimension of each chimney. Then we have the installation procedure, common point in the installation, like people have the query where to put the hole in the wall, how to fit the duct and different things. Then we have the safety feature, maintenance, cleaning, troubleshooting, and there are the symbols. The symbols is something like this. Like this is the auto clean. This is for the wave sensor or motion sensor. This one is the touch control. This one is for the LPG sensor. Maximum airflow, clock, timer, as you can see it here. This is the clock. This is your room temperature right now. Right now it is in the auto clean mode, so it was showing something else. Just give me 1 second. Now this is showing you the power. This one is the timer. It also have the preset features. Normally most of the chimneys comes with a 3-speed motor and the LED lights or LED tubing. Thanks for watching this video.